Greetings and welcome to another CTRE Moodle tutorial video. My name is Theodis Garth and I will be your tutorial instructor today. What we're going to focus on is what we call the import feature in Moodle. What the import feature gives you the capability to do as a faculty member is bring old content that is in a course, let's say from spring or fall 2013 or 2014 over into your new fall 2015 course shells. This feature saves a lot of time, and you'll notice the more that you do this from semester to semester that creating content and pushing that over to the new courses is a breeze. So let's start. For the sake of this tutorial, I've created two courses. This course here is going to be representing the old course, which is from 2014, which has your content in that you want to bring over to your new fall 2015 course shell. So the first thing I recommend for instructors to do is to go into the old course shell and take a look at what's in your old shell and determine what you want to bring over and what you want to leave behind. Just a simple walkthrough, just, scroll through the page and go through things and see if you really want to bring this content over to your new course shell. Once you make that decision, then you can start doing the import feature. So what you want to do, the first thing you want to do to start the import feature is to go into your new fall 2015 course shell, which should be completely empty and only have, the news forum at the top. So for instructors to start the import feature, what you want to do is under your administration section, you want to click import. And you're only going to click import from within the new fall 2015 course shell. So let's click import. When you first click import, this takes you to the first step in the process. This step is where you're going to find a course to import data from. So we already know that we're going to import data from your fall 2014 Moodle course shell. So this is the course that Moodle is asking you to find in this list here. So for most of our faculty members, you've taught from, let's say, 2013 all the way up to 2015. So you're going to see a list of all of your course shells here. So you need to find the course that you want the content to be transferred from into this new 2015 course shell. So for the sake of this tutorial, I know I'm pulling content from this course here from 2014, so I'm going to select it right here. Once you make that selection, you're going to click on continue. This takes you over to step 2. Step 2 is just a settings page. These are your backup settings. So I usually instruct faculty members just to leave everything here in this list checked. It's going to just bring over the blocks, the activities, the filters, and your question banks. These are important if you've done quizzes where you have question banks you've imported into your course, any kind of multimedia filters, any kind of specialized blocks that you've put into your course, and of course the activities. So you do want to make sure that these are checked off. So after we make sure these 4 items are checked, we're going to click next. This takes you to step 3. This is probably the most important step in the process of importing content. Step 3 is your schema. So step 3 gives you a list of all the content that is in your old fall 2014 course shell. Here is where you're going to make the selection of what activity, resource, video, whatever it may be, whatever content you have in your old course. You're going to make the selection here as to what you want to bring over to the new course shell. So for example, I know I don't want to bring over Blackboard Collaborate sessions. Blackboard Collaborate sessions, which this icon, the purple arrow icon with the circle, what I've known in the past, when you try to import Collaborate sessions, there's problems, and it's an issue with Blackboard Collaborate. I'm going to uncheck those items from the list because I don't want to bring those over. But what I do want is everything else. I want to bring over my Turnitin assignment. I want to bring over a quiz that I prepared in 2014. I do want to bring over my Big Blue Button recording sessions and etc. Everything else that you see here listed. As a rule of thumb, I do recommend that you uncheck the news forum. Every Moodle course, new Moodle course, has a news forum that is already in the course by default. So you don't want to duplicate the news forum. Once you have made these selections, you want to scroll to the bottom and click Next. Now that's going to bring you to step 4, which is a confirmation and review step. Everything that is has a green check mark, it indicates that Moodle is going to transfer this material over to the new course shell. Everything you see here listed with the red X is not going to come over in the import, which I've unchecked all of my Blackboard Collaborate sessions. Once you've reviewed everything in the list, you want to scroll down to the bottom, and this is your last step. You're going to click on Perform Import. Okay, and Moodle's going to take you to a progress bar. Depending on how much content you're bringing over to the new course shell, it could take a little bit longer, but as you can see, it only took a few seconds to transfer all of my content. Very simple, very easy. Once it's completed, it's going to give you a confirmation message, and you're going to be able to click on Continue. And it's going to take you right into your new Fall 2015 course shell. And as you can see, all of the content from Fall 2014 has been imported or transferred over to your new course shell. Okay, that will conclude our tutorial today. I hope this feature makes your semester a lot easier, where you do not have to manually go back and add content one at a time to your new Fall 2015 course shells. Please feel free, if you have any questions, to contact the CTRE department. Our number is 773-995-2960, or you can reach us via email. Our email address is elearning, and that's all one word, lowercase, elearning@csu.edu. Thank you and have a great day.